nothing. Hang on.
Okay, ease up on the throttle. I see the turret up ahead.
This is awesome. Hold on back there.
Are you serious right now? Watch out for that bump.
There it is. Right through the trees.
Wow. That's definitely the one.
Look at the sign. It says mines. We can't go that way.
I know, but the target is right there. We have to try.
Look at a military Kaiser.
Yeah, but look at the sign. Look at the state of this thing.
Yeah, it's completely rotted.
But the engine might be salvageable.
Look at this compression on the hood. We're looking at a full engine replacement, maybe even the axle.
The structural integrity is compromised here, too.
The oil pan and transmission housing are destroyed from the impact. The windshield, too. This is worse than we thought. Look at the state of this thing. This is gonna be epic.
It's barely holding together, man. That chassis is rusted through.
We can handle it. This is perfect. We can strip it for parts back at the workshop.
Are you sure that's safe? The cabin is wide open.
All right, slow now. Watch the left side.
Copy that. Looking clear?
And stop. Perfect.
There it is. Come on.
Wait, the tape.
And we're clear.
Look at this stuff. This is serious military grade.
We shouldn't be touching this, man. This is way too dangerous.
Oh God, the pin. It's still in. Is it active? We almost died. There's the crate, grab it. Okay, the crate is down. Get that launcher clear now.
Almost there.
I'm getting the truck.
We can't find the ignition key. Come on, we need to get out of here. There it is. Perfect. With the key, the steering's unlocked. We're moving. All right, guys, we're getting out of here. Hopefully we follow the exact same path. We don't want to hit any mines. We made it! Back at base. Now we can finally focus on the restoration. Oh!
Let's start with a wash. High pressure water to blast off all that dried mud. Let us know. What do you think about this find? Do you like military themed builds?
blast it right there. Yeah, get that mud off. Look at that, it's perfect. Woo!
The dirt's coming off surprisingly easy, although there's so much of it, it feels like this thing was buried in a swamp. Windshield shattered, maybe from the flip, or maybe someone shot at it. Who knows?
Look at this, the rear window is completely gone. That explains why the inside is so dirty.
Check that out.
Good as new. Almost. Let's make sure the pressure holds. Check out those tires. Super aggressive tread, makes sense for off-road military use.
What do you prefer, off-road or smooth highways?
Look at that, mud peeling right off the door. Inside's packed with sand and dust. Now it's starting to look almost new. Time for the best part, foam wash.
Using extended brushes to reach the higher spots.
If you don't scrub it, dirt can still stick, even with soap.
Moving to the other side. Washing without a window isn't ideal, but we're trying to move fast.
Get in there, that looks amazing. Keep scrubbing.
Almost done with the hinges here. Rinsing everything off again. And finishing the third side. Don't forget to like the video to support us.
Wow, look at that foam up.
Yeah, that ought to do it.
Look at that. The pink means it's lifting all the iron deposit.
That is seriously impressive stuff.
Rinsing everything again. Rinsing everything again.
How does that look?
Still pretty rough, but the green is good. We can work with this. Let's also clean the engine bay, getting rid of burnt oil, dust, and grime.
Hey, you missed a spot right there by the distributor.
Got it. This thing is filthy.
The dirt's stubborn, but it's coming off.
The dirt's stubborn, but it's coming off.
Now let's check the rear interior. Whoa, that's a body armor vest. Expensive and very useful. Let's set it aside.
Another bazooka. Even bigger this time. We've got to be careful. Definitely not empty. These are insanely heavy. Nice find. Easy now. You're eliminated. Congrats.
Let's clean the interior. Soap and water again.
Washing the cabin looks weird, but this is a full deep clean.
Next day, we continue with a vacuum, cleaning all the sand and dust from the seats.
What do you think?
Now using an automatic brush and cleaning solution.
It turns into this frosty texture. Pretty cool effect.
Meanwhile, we wipe down the dashboard.
Okay, the cluster is clean.
All right, open it up. Whoa, look at all this stuff. What's this? Classified military documents? That's a weird diagram.
Just look at this complex schematic.
Cleaning mirrors and windows.
We love these mini cleaning tools. What do you think? crystal clear. What do you think?
Nice work, man.
Not bad, huh? I can actually see myself.
Yeah, clear as day. Need a hand inside?
Nah, I got this one. I think this foam is getting into all the cracks. The exterior is done. It's looking good, man.
Cleaning the windshield from the inside, too. Would be nice to have bigger tools, but it's still fun. Installing a charged battery. Checking the fuel filter. Adding fuel. Fuel's flowing, but the engine won't start, can't hold RPM. Oh, all right. Let's try adding ether into the carburetor. And check the spark plugs. Putting them back. Still won't start. Adding more ether. There's a spark. What's wrong? We'll have to remove the carburetor. Cleaning and blowing out the fuel passages. Careful with that gasket, it looks brittle. Got it. Slow and steady. There we go. Hot drying everything with compressed air.
All right, putting it back together.
Fuel pressure is in the red zone, not good. Reinstalling the carburetor. Let's try again. Yes, it's running. RPM is stable.